Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to use Google Lens in 2025 to recognize plants and animals instantly. This is a great way to learn more about the world around you and identify species you may not know. Step 1. Open Google Lens from your browser or through Google's main search page. Step 2. Click on the Upload Image icon and choose a photo of a plant or animal that you want to identify. You can use a picture you took or even one saved from online. Step 3. Once the image is uploaded, Google Lens will analyze it and show you possible matches. You will see the species name, scientific information, and related results that explain more about it. Step 4. Scroll through the details to learn about habitat, care tips for plants, or interesting facts about animals. Step 5. If you want to search again, just upload another image and repeat the process. And that is it. You just learned how to use Google Lens in 2025 to recognize plants and animals. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this tutorial if it helped you.